Hello children, it's me again, and this is Alex, my son. We're going to do another unit in Rooftops 2. This is Unit 3, the Nature Reserve. Come on, let's go and see the animals. Oh, yes please. Who's this?
These are
Nizzy.
Nizzy, Nina, Oscar and Anna.
And this is the ranger. Yes?
She is giving some binoculars to the children.
Here are the binoculars. Look, can you see a deer? No, I can't. Can Oscar see a deer?
No, he can't.
I can see it. Yes, it's behind a tree. Can you see a deer?
Yes, I can.
Oh, where is it?
It's behind the tree.
Can Anna see the deer?
Yes, she can.
Can you see a fox? No, I can't. Can Oscar see a fox?
No, he can't.
Is Oscar happy?
No, he isn't happy.
Look, the fox is next to the lake. Can you see a fox?
Yes, I can.
Where is it?
It's next to the lake.
Can Anna see the fox?
Yes, she can.
Aha. Come on, Nina, it's your turn. Whose turn is it?
It's Nina's turn.
Is Oscar happy?
No, he isn't.
I can see an owl. Where is it? It's over there. It's in front of the tree. Can you see an owl?
Yes, I can.
Where is it?
It's in front of the tree.
Can Nina see the owl?
Yes, she can.
Look, can you see a spider? I can see the spider. It's on the rock. Can you see a spider?
Yes, I can.
Where is it?
It's on the rock.
Ah. Can Nina see the spider?
Yes, she can.
I can see a deer. I can see a fox. I can see a spider. I can see a hedgehog. Can Lizzie see a deer?
Yes, he can.
Can Anna see a fox?
Yes, she can.
Can Nina see a spider?
Yes, she can.
And you, can you see a hedgehog?
Yes, I can.
Can Oscar see the hedgehog?
Yes, he can.
Where? It's behind you. Where's the hedgehog?
It's behind Nizzy, Nina and Anna.
Is Oscar happy?
Yes, he is. Hooray.
And that's the end of the story.